Hey everybody, welcome back to the Quick Fox channel. You're back again with Tom, and we're here to do the next step on getting this bus rolling. We've got this thing ready to go, and it wouldn't go in gear again. So we need to take it apart and figure out what's frozen about the shift linkage. I know last time I found it from underneath and we were able to hit it with a hammer and get it to work, but this bus isn't going anywhere unless we repair that joint. Not much access from the outside, so here on the inside I did find a hatch towards the back. I just got done drilling out the screws and I'm going to pry it open for the first time, and you're here for the reveal. We're either going to find a family of raccoons down there playing cards, ready to jump, or nothing, or maybe the shift linkage, and I'll be able to take it apart and fix it, and we'll finally get this thing going down the road to the storage unit where the township wants it. So here's the hatch in the back. You can see the cockpit way up there. Gear shift lever. It's attached to linkages. Run through the floor. Down this channel to the trans in the back. And I know the joint I'm looking for. It's right under this panel. Couldn't get the screws out, so I drilled them out and just used a drill bit to get the heads. And you're here for the first opening, so here we go. I hope no raccoons jump out at me. Okay. Not what I wanted to see. It is not the shift linkage. Man, is that a bummer. I don't know what this is though. Plumbing system, there's a valve there. Must be for the heat. What's this? A rubber seal. Again, just like everything else on this bus, couldn't be more disgusting. But this does not help me. Damn. Well, it's back to the drawing board. I don't know how I'm going to get this thing going. If anybody knows a good bus mechanic in the area, let me know. You want to know what? This thing's stuck in first gear. Again,